Hey everyone, it's Brooke. Let's talk about Equagio inside of Google Forms. So I've already installed my extension Equagio and it's up here in my extension bar. And I've opened up a Google form and all I've done is simply titled it Math. And I have my very first question ready to go. So when I click on my question here, you'll notice that immediately I get this little blue Equagio Insert Math button right here. And if you hover over it, it'll even say Insert Math. So here I can insert an equation. The equation will insert underneath the actual question spot. So let's look and see how that works. So the moment I open this up, you can see that I've already was working in here and there's already an equation. So I'm going to clear it, start with a new one. This looks the same as it does when you're working in Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. So the very first one is the equation editor. Remember, you can also do handwriting recognition and speech input. So I'm going to start with the equation editor here. I'm just going to do 3 times 2 equals, and I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm going to do insert math. It's going to take just a moment for it to pop up into my question. And let's say I ask students to solve equation. And now I also want to show you what it looks like on the student side. So I'm going to preview it as a student so that you can see. And it just says solve equation, so it's here. But look how the student on the answer side also has the Equagio button. If they have the Equagio extension installed on their account, they will see the Equagio button and then they're able to respond. So I'm going to click on that button. The Equagio editor did open down here at the bottom. This time I'm going to use handwriting recognition and I'm going to say 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Insert math, and put my answer in there. If I didn't think that was correct, I could click the X, but I agree with it, so I'm going to hit submit. And now when I go back to my form and I look at responses, on the summary, you'll see here's one response, but individually, if you're collecting their names as you should, if it was a quiz or formative assessment so that you can see what they have going on, you would then be able to see individual results as well.